Hi children, let us welcome back to our class. In English Reader, page number 6, you have textbook exercises. This exercise is from the lesson. So, read the sentences and match the columns. Yes children, again, you have the one more exercise, page number 9, A, B, Romans. In A, B, Romans, we are learning about suffixes and prefixes. Suffix is a word. Here, a letter or a group of letters that is added to a word to form a new word with a different meaning. For suppose, a example, comfort plus able, comfortable. Here there are two words. With two words, we are making a word where we are adding this word after the word. Able. Comfort is a word. Able is another word. We are adding this able after the word. When we add a word after the word, it is called suffix. The same examples they have given here. Joy. They have given you two options. You have to tick the correct option and you have to write in the given space. Again, laugh. So what is the correct one? You have to choose and tick the correct one and write it here. Then B Roman. In B Roman, we are talking about prefixes. Pre means before a word. Suffix means after a word. Prefix means before a word. When we add before a word, that word is called a prefix. So these are the prefixes. Yes children, now you have to write way. So what they have written? Midway. Then second one, plug. You choose the correct word from this box and write it here in the space provided. Understand children? Once again I am repeating what is a suffix and a prefix. Suffix is a word which we add after the word. That is called suffix. Prefix means a word which we add before a word. That word is called prefix. Suffixes and prefixes. Here we are talking about noun, collective noun. Already we discussed in the grammar book. Thus you have to fill this and you have to complete these blanks. The same examples, this and A and B Romans. They gave here with the pictures, but they did not give you as pictures, but they gave you as blanks. So you complete it by looking from the box, correct option. Yes children, it is page number 10. And punctuation. Punctuation we are learning from class 1 onwards. What is a punctuation? Using of capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark and commas. Yes children, these we are learning from first standard onwards. Yes, is this right? Yes. Then you have the 6 punctuations. You have to rewrite these given sentences using the punctuation marks. Rewrite with the correct punctuation. I saw a beautiful bird on that tree. So what should you write? When you write, The first letter of a sentence should be capital letter. I should be capital letter. Then you have to check whether it is a question or a statement or an exclamatory sentence or an imperative sentence. You have to choose it first. Then you have to end the sentence with whether it is a question, you have to end with question. If it is a statement, full stop. Exclamatory means you have to mark with exclamatory mark. Yes, children? Yes, you do these exercises and send to my WhatsApp number. This punctuation marks you have to write in your notebook. Once again, I am repeating. Write these punctuations in your notebook. And also, you have a writing part. In that writing part, whom you have helped, you write about that person. Where was the person? What situation was the person in? How did you help him or her? How did you feel after doing the kind act? Yes, children, did you understand? You have to write about a person who you helped, him or her. Then you have to use these questions. Yes, children? Yes. Namaste, children. In previous class, that means in last lesson, we learnt about a bird which injured. It is a migratory bird. It is flying one country to another country. Now we are talking about another bird which is on the seashore. A bird on the seashore. This is your second lesson. Yes, children, what is the name of the lesson? A bird on the seashore. A bird on the seashore. They have given you to tick the correct options according to your opinion. Will you do that warm up? After completing that warm up, let us continue our explanation. Before that, you have to read the lesson, underlined hard words, and find the meanings of those hard words in your notebook. Once again, I am repeating. You take the chapter 2, keep the heading in your notebook, write hard words from the lesson 2 and write meanings for those hard words in your notebook. Understand, children? Before this, I gave you exercises to complete in the textbook and also punctuation marks in the notebook. That work and this work you should complete by today. And you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Today I take attendance of sending of your homework. Yes, children? Yes. So I hope you will complete this work and you will submit to me. Thank you.